أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. So we are nowadays learning properties of an ism. Ism is called noun. So first, yesterday we started with adad. So there are how many properties, Hassan? How many properties of an ism?
Four.
Four. What are those?
Name, gender, type, and status.
Not name, it is
Number,
number.
number.
Number, gender, type, and status. So yesterday we started from number, means adad. Adad is in Arabic. So there are three kinds of numbers. One is singular, second is plural, pair or dual, and third one is plural. Yesterday we learned about pairs or duals. So how we make dual, Hassan? Like Muslimun, how we make dual?
Muslimani.
So we add ani at the end, or aini, ani or aini at the end. Similarly, kafir, manal, dual.
Kafirani, kafiraini.
And for feminine, Hassan, how we make plural dual?
Muslimatani.
So we add tani at the end, or taini, tani or taini at the end. So jamilatun, manal, how we do jamilatan dual?
Jamilatani, jamilataini.
Jamilatani, yeah. So this is a very easy process of making duals. So inshallah today we are going to learn how to make plural from a noun. So there are three kinds of plural. One is called solid plural. It is called Jama Salim in Arabic. And the second type is broken plural. That is called Jama Mukassir. And third type is Ism Jama. Ism Jama is like Qaum. Qaum is a nation, Nas, people, because they're a bunch of people together. It's not just one person. So Nas is a Isam Jama. These like Karan is also a combination of different people. It's Karan. So this is called collective noun, Isam Jama or collective noun. So what is solid plural? Solid plural is when you see una or ina sound at the end of an ism. Una or ina sign, like Muslimin. Muslim is one Muslim. Its plural is Muslimuna, Muslimina. So in Arabic, you know that plural is more than two. Two is not plural. Two is dual. And Muslimuna, Muslimina is a plural. It means more than two, three or more than three. If it is a feminine gender, for feminine gender, we put atun or atin. So Muslimatun becomes Muslimatun or Muslimatin. Okay, so atun, atin, if you see at the end, so it means it is a plural of feminine. There is also some non-human feminine nouns. So they are actually solid plurals, but they are treated as broken plurals. Okay, like Jannah, we will discuss about broken plural. Like Jannah, Jannah, its plural is Jannatun, Jannatin. But it would be treated as like broken plural. We are discussing it next. So solid plurals have a sound like una or ina for masculine, atun, atin for feminine. Next is broken plural. So there are two kinds of broken plural also. One is human broken plural and the other is non-human broken plural. Human broken plural is called akil. Akil means that have akal, that have understanding. So akil includes humans, jinns, and angels. They are considered as akil, human broken plural. All other non-human broken plurals are like kutub, aqlam, qulub. Okay, these are non-human broken plurals. So non-human, the rule for non-human broken plural is that they are treated as she. Non-human broken plurals There are, when you see them, they would be treated as she in Arabic. Like kutubun would be treated as she. It doesn't show any sign of she here, but it is treated as she because it is a broken plural. It is a non-human. She means she is a third person singular feminine gender. It is a singular third person and singular. And in human broken plurals are sometimes treated as is, like if they are masculine, they are treated as masculine, and sometimes they are treated as she also. Like kafir is singular, its broken plural is kuffar. Rasul is singular, its broken plural is rusul. Rajul is singular and its broken plural is rijal. Rajul is man, rijal is men. Okay. So in Quran, rusul when is used rusulana. Ja'at, ja, he came, ja'at, she came. Rusulana, Ja'at Rusulana, our messengers came. Similarly, Ja'a Rusulana is also used. So Ja'a is masculine, Ja'at is feminine. So both examples, you can see that they are treated as is or as a she. Whereas these non-human broken plurals, they are always treated as she. Like kulub is a broken plural of qalb. So it would always be treated as she. Kasabat kulubukum. So because of kulub, this kasabat is you. Kasaba is he earned. Kasabat she earned. Your hearts earned. So these broken plurals is not uncommon in English. Also in English, you can see truth has a broken plural of teeth. Normally we add s or es when we make jama in English, but sometimes we also change the sequence and it doesn't follow any pattern. That is the broken plural in English. Like goose becomes geese, mouse becomes mice when it the plural of mouse. Child is singular, its plural is children, not childs. Man is singular, its plural is not mans, it is men. So these are examples of broken plurals in English. Similarly, this applies to Arabic. But make sure you have to remember this thing that broken plurals, especially non-human broken plurals, they are treated as she. Hasan, understand? Okay. So three kinds of plurals: solid plurals, broken plurals, and ism jama or collective noun. These are the plurals. And as I told you, these non-human feminine solid plurals are treated as broken plurals. Like Jannah. Jannah is a non-human, but it is a solid plural. So it is a feminine word, but it would be treated as broken plural. Okay. Okay, let's do some exercise. You have to tell me which one is solid plural and which one is broken plural. Abid. Abid is singular. Okay. Waj. I think I did a wrong. So it should be here. Wajhun. Wajhun is Wajhun is singular and its plural is wujuhun. Wujuhun, Hasan. So wujuh is broken plural or solid plural? Hasan, wujuh is broken or solid?
Broken.
Broken. If it is solid, how it should look like?
Una.
Wajhuna wajhina. It's not wajhuna wajhina. So it is broken plural. Similarly, masjid. Its plural is masajid. So is it broken plural or solid plural? Manal?
Broken.
What would be the shape of solid plural?
Masjidani.
Masjiduna, Dani is for dual. Masjiduna, Masjidina, it should be. But it is not Masjiduna, Masjidina. So it is Masajid. So it is not the following of Una, Ina pattern. Una, Ina pattern is solid plural. And if it doesn't follow that pattern, it is a broken plural. Okay? Baban. Bab is singular. Abwab. Hassan, Abwab is broken plural or solid?
Broken.
Broken plural. Khaliduna. Khaliduna is broken plural or solid plural, Manan?
Solid.
Solid, good. And Nahar is singular. Its plural is Anhar. Is it solid plural, Manan, or broken?
Broken.
Good. Sajid is singular. Its plural is Sajiduna. Is it solid plural or a broken plural?
Solid.
Very good. Sajid is the one who do sajda, is it? Abid. Abid is, what is the meaning of Abid, Manal?
One who worships.
One who worships. So its plural is Abiduna. Is it solid or broken?
Solid.
Good. Abida. Abida, Hassan. The plural is Abidat. Is it solid or broken?
It's solid.
Abidat, very good. It is solid plural because for feminine, Muslima, Muslimatun, Muslimatin. Good. Amal, Manal, Amal. Is it, its plural is Amal. Is it solid or broken?
Broken.
Good. Zawj is spouse. Azwaj is the plural. What is this? Solid or broken?
Broken.
Ayah. Ayah is a sign, is a verse. Its plural is ayat. Is it solid plural or a broken plural?
Broken.
No. It's not broken. It is like Muslimatin. Muslimatun. It is a solid plural, but it is non-human solid plural. So it would be treated as she. Okay? Shaheed. Shaheed is the one who witnesses a lot. Its plural is shuhada. Is it solid or broken? Shuhada is solid or broken, Manal?
Broken.
Broken. Good. Hassan, Amr. Amr is matter. Its plural is umur. Is it solid plural or broken? Is it
Broken.
solid? Good. Ain. Ain is eye. Eye is one eye is ain. Its plural is ayun. What is the? Is it solid or broken?
Broken.
Broken. Oh, how the solid would look like?
Ayun.
Ainuna, ainina. Ayun is the plural. Its dual would be ainani, ainini. Munafiq is the hypocrite. Munafiquna, munafiqina. Is munafiquna manal solid or broken?
Solid.
Solid plural. Nabi. Nabi is prophet. And Ambiya is the solid or broken plural?
Broken.
Broken. What would be the solid plural?
Ambiyun.
Ambiyuni, Nabiyun, Nabiyun, Nabiyin. Nabiyun, Nabiyin would be the solid plural. Alim, Alim Manal, Alim is Alimun. Alim is the one who knows. Yeah. Alimun is singular or plural? Oh, sorry, not singular. Is it broken or solid plural?
Solid.
Solid plural. So there is also ulama, alim, ulama. What is this plural?
Broken.
Is broken because it is not ending with una. Una, so alim has two plurals. One is ulama and the other is alimun. Alimun is solid plural. Ulama is broken plural. Abd. Abd is slave. Ibad is the solid plural or broken plural?
Broken.
Broken. Jannah. Jannah is singular. Its plural should be Jannat. Jannat is solid or broken?
Solid.
solid. Sahib. Sahib is a singular companion. Its plural is ashab. Is it solid or broken?
Broken.
Is it? What would be the solid plural? Sahib.
Sahibun.
Sahibun. Sahibun or sahibin would be the solid plural, but its plural is ashab. So from the pattern, you should be able to figure it out whether it is solid plural or broken plural. For feminine, the sound should be atun, atin at the end for a solid plural, and for a masculine solid plural, una, ina sound at the end. Okay. Otherwise, if it doesn't have una or ina sign, it would be treated as broken plural. So the examples are, Haika, can you recite the ayah?
وجوه يومئذ
وجوه يوم.
وجوه يومئذ ناعمة.
So wajh is a singular. Its plural is Hasan. Wujuh. Yoma is in. Wujuh means faces. Faces on that day will be happy. Naima is happy. Faces will be happy on that day. Lahum jannatun tajri min tahtihal anhar. Hasan, which one is a solid plural in this example and which one is broken plural?
Jannat is solid plural and anhar is broken.
What is the singular of anhar?
Nahar.
Nahar. And what is the singular of jannat?
Jannah.
Jannah. Lahum, manal means lahum.
For them,
Jannat.
gardens.
Tajri.
It flows.
Not it. She flows. Jara we learned. He flowed. Jara, yajri, yajruna. Tajruna. So tajri means you flow or she flow also. Okay. Min, manal.
From.
Tahti means under. Tahtiha, under them, means Jannat. Al-Anhar, the rivers. For them, the gardens. Under them, the rivers flow. Under them, the rivers flow. So, Haika, next ayah, last ayah.
وما يجحد بآياتنا إلا الكافرون.
Al-Kafirun. Manal, this is solid or broken plural?
Solid.
Ayati. Ayat. Is it solid?
Yes.
Yes. Is it singular, feminine or masculine?
Feminine.
Good. And va means and, ma not, yajhadu, jahada yajhadu, he argues. Be with ayatina, our verses, illa except al-kafirun, the disbelievers. And they, and he doesn't deny or dispute our ayat except the disbelievers. Okay, so except disbelievers, nobody denies our ayat. Okay, so that's it for today's lesson. Any questions? So you should remember what is a solid plural and broken plural. Broken plural, that doesn't follow the normal pattern. What is normal pattern? Una or ina sound at the end of the essay, or at or not in sound, if it is feminine. If it doesn't follow that pattern, it is for sure broken plural. And broken plurals are treated as she, feminine gender. Okay, let's stop. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك ونشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت ونستغفرك ونتوب إليك.